everyone, it's Kristina here, and I thought I would film a video where I do something a little different, and that is I'm going to be recreating my makeup from my prom back in, oh god, I feel so old, June 2016. I'm so old. But yeah, let's just get right into it. So first things first, I'm going in with my primer. I'll leave all of the products down below in the description, and I'm just going in with this really great primer for moisturization. I'm going to go in with these stick cream eyeshadows. I'm taking a gray color and I'm putting that all over my lid, and this one comes with a brush on the other end, so I'm just dabbing and rubbing the product to blend it out, and I usually just build up the product as I go. Then I'm going to go in with a white color on the center of the lid just to brighten up a little bit. Then I'm going to use some scotch tape to create my wings. I like using this liner or a pen liner because it's so much easier to do the wing. I try to make them as even as possible, but it was just not working out. I'm going in with my mascara on the top lashes. I don't do the bottom lashes. Then I'm going in with my foundation. This wasn't the foundation that I used the day of, but this is the foundation that I use on a daily basis, and the one that I used before was actually the L'Oreal one on the day of. Then I'm going in with some lip primer. It was winter now, so I wanted to prime my lips a little bit and give them moisturization. And then I go in with some blush. I smile and apply the blush on my cheekbones and my nose. Then I go in with my brow mascara. And I'm just cleaning it up. I tried my best to create this similar shape of my brows to the picture, but my eyebrows were a lot thinner back then. Then I applied a little highlighter, and then I went in with some lip gloss. The picture looks like it's matte, but it's actually not. It's actually gloss that I'm wearing. And yeah, that is the finished look. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. It was very simple to do. Definitely not the techniques that I usually go for. Also, I didn't use concealer at all. And my brows, they were a lot thinner. And also the wing, I kind of did it a little more dramatic than what was in the picture, because the picture didn't actually show how dramatic my wing actually was, but it was a little more dramatic. And I had gray tones with little white sparkle, and also blush and highlight was it. No contouring, no nothing. It was very, very simplistic. And yeah, I just wanted to recreate this look for you for fun and show you guys. Also, my lip looks matte in the photo. It was actually gloss, but photo quality, guys, I had to crop out my dates. Yes, I went with 2 of my friends, so I had to like crop them out, so the video, like the photo quality is kind of bad, but this is pretty much what the look is. By the way, if I'm looking down, it's because my mirror's here and I'm trying to see if I'm forgetting anything. Also, I didn't put mascara down there because my eyes were like irritating me that day, so yeah. But I think that's about it. Anyways, if you guys want more videos like this where I do looks from my past that I don't really have on YouTube, then please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know down in the comments, or you can message me on all my social medias. They'll be down in the description box below. Remember to subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.